once again our fifth participant.
Alright, so thank you so much, Rich Avalos. Alright, so let's continue the competition proper. Our fifth finalist for tonight. Okay na, yan, may go signal na. Once again, our fifth finalist, Mr. John Everett Buena. DJ, drop the beat. 3, 2, 1.
World Trade, you are watching Manila Flair Open 2024.
Nice music. Lively music. Shadow pa! Go! Grabe yun! Unbelievable! Unbelievable! 3 days again! And artistic pouring. Parang sila to, bossing! Ano ba yan? Nice snatch, one battle, one team. Nice bump and a bump. Another tap. Wow, shadow cast and an elbow bomb. Wow, nice pick and roll. Tap, 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 tap. And elbow bomb and a basket. Two teams, one battle. Tuloy na. Grabe to. Ang ganda ng posing. 1:1 dito. 4 object, 3 teams and 1 battle. One timing time of yata to. Shake it, shake it. Whoa! Litin, seryoso po yan. Uulitin yan. Basket. Medyo madulas.
Meron ako sasabihin na gawag kukura. Alam ko marami na ina di mo matanggap. Pero bago ka
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Alam mo siguro kung bakit napapailing. Babae niligaw, di ka sinagot. Kasi kahit
Alright, our fifth finalist, John Everett, doing his routine. Oh, almost. Uulitin niya. Eto na, walang pumurap. Alauna. 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 Walang kasunod eh. One minute.
Marami pa yan.
Ano natin? Nadadala yung screen. 13, 14, and one battle.
A lot of time.
14, Coaching! Kamusta ang buhay-buhay?
Recover, recover. Sabi nga ng mga contenders.
30 seconds. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuloy lang. Wow, pan-trophy ko yan. Ah.
Green, ano yan?
Nice presentation.
Ilang
Grabe.
second?
Ang ganda ng